Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can cancel your LinkedIn company's page premium subscription. So basically what LinkedIn calls this as premium company page or LinkedIn premium for your company page. So if you have any page like this and if you see the premium icon, it means that LinkedIn premium is enabled for that company page, and if you want to cancel the subscription, then let me show you. First of all, sign in to your LinkedIn account, who is the owner or admin of that company page. In my case, the company page is Talent Pick AI, as you can see on the left side, and just below it you can see the premium features button, which means that premium is enabled on this LinkedIn page. I am going to click on premium features, and here it is showing all the things, but on the top right you see subscription details. If you click on it, you can see that premium company page is enabled on this, and the next billing cycle will be on 18th of September 2025, and today is 13th of September. So I am going to cancel before it is being charged for the next month. I am going to click on manage subscription. Again, if you are the admin of the page, only you can cancel that subscription. After that, it's showing you premium company page, all these details, and if you want to cancel it, just click on cancel free trial or cancel subscription, whichever button you see. Thanks for being a premium company page subscriber. They are telling me that 4 days are still remaining, but I am going to click on continue to cancel. They are showing what I will lose after I will close the premium for that page. Click on continue to cancel. I'm going to skip the survey, and you can see it says your subscription has been cancelled, you will no longer be charged, and you can still enjoy premium page until this. So yeah, we are just simply going to click on done, and now our LinkedIn company page premium subscription has been cancelled. So yeah guys, in this way you can cancel the subscription for your LinkedIn company page. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.